A God WOD this. A daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Hey, you want to live favor? Trust in a God one dege boy picnic. Today, I'm going to read from the Good News as according to John chapter 3 from verse 22 to verse 36. After that, Jesus and his followers them left and go out in the country part of Judea. He spent some time there with them and him did a baptize people. John did a baptize people to a one place not too far from Salem, where they call Enan. Him did a baptize they can enough water they did it. And people did a go there to get baptized. This and before they did lock up John in a prison. Now, John followed them and one another Jew get in a one piece of argument about what them religion say, about how people for wash and make themselves clean. Then go over to John and say to him, say, teacher, the man where they did it with you on the other side of River John, the one where you did a talk about, look, see him they are baptized too, and everybody are go to him. But John said to them, say, somebody can't only have what God give them. You know for yourself and can tell anybody, say, me did say, me, I know the Christ. God only send me come before him. You see, the bride after the bridegroom. The bridegroom brethren, we start out the sitting them film wedding and we turn up and listen out film. In glad bag boss when time him hear the bridegroom voice. Right now, I same way some me feel well happy about what go on. That man there, we are baptized people. Him, I forget bigger and bigger. And me, I forget smaller and smaller. The somebody will come from upper top, bigger and better than everybody. The somebody will come from earth, belong to the earth, and in talk about what go on the earth. The somebody will come from upper top, bigger and better than everybody. Him talk about what him see and hear, but nobody no believe what him say. The somebody will take in and follow what him say. Show clear, say what God say, a true sitting. Cause the one way God send come, say all the way God tell him to say. Cause you see, God give him every single bit. I'm spirit. The Father love him boy picnic and him give him power over everything. This somebody we trust in him boy picnic are gonna live forever. But the one we don't want to have nothing to do with him, now go live. And God ever are gonna punish him. And God want this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.